Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of predictions from simple experiments. This is standard 7.6H in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 29 of the 2024 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we have a survey given to 200 students, and then we've got the results of their favorite pets. Whole lot of dog, a little bit of rabbit, cat looks like it's the second most popular, and fish. All right, so if we were to randomly select a student, right? So this is a prediction, right, from an experiment. So we'll call this an experimental prediction or experimental probability, because we are looking at the experiment here, or the survey that was given. And so let's just look at these statements. One of these is going to be true, three are going to be false. The student is equally likely, if they just pull one at random, to prefer any of the types of pets. Okay, equally likely literally means equally. So that means dog equals rabbit equals cat equals fish, right? So that's what that means. A dog is equally likely to prefer any of the types of pets. We know that dog is 110, rabbit is 10, cat 65, fish 15. Yeah, that does not make any sense. They are not equally likely to prefer any of them. Honestly, a dog is the one that they looks like they would choose the most. They had to choose one. So that's going to be a no for A. Let's check B, C, and D. The student is 5 times as likely to prefer a fish as to prefer a rabbit. Okay, so 5 times. So 5 times as to prefer a fish than a rabbit. Okay, so a fish is or equals 5 times the rabbit. That's what that tells us there. The fish equals 5 times a rabbit. So the fish is 15. The rabbit is 10. Well, that would work if I were to add these two, but as you can see, 5 times is a multiplicative relationship. So that's not going to work because 15 does not equal 50. If it was, 5 more, we might have a conversation, but that's not going to work. Okay. No for B. Let's check C. The student is less likely, okay, so less likely to prefer fish than to prefer any other type of pet. Okay, so fish is going to be less than all the others, right? Dog. Fish is less than rabbit. And then fish is less than cat. Let's put some numbers on here. Fish is going to be 15 all the way down. So is 15 less than the dog? Yes, that works. 110. Is fish less than the rabbit? Nope, that is my problem. Fish is less than cat. So this is untrue simply because fish is not going to be less than the rabbit. So let's hope the answer is D, because that's our last one. The student is more likely to prefer a dog, so more likely is greater than any other type of pet. So we can do the same thing here, right? Dog is greater than rabbit. Dog is greater than cat. And then dog is greater than fish. Yep, dog was the biggest one, 110, all the way down. So the dog is bigger than the rabbit of 10. Yes. Dog is bigger than the cat of 65. Yes. And the dog is definitely bigger than that fish of 15. So that is going to work. That statement is true, and our answer is D.